Alright guys, figured I'd just make a short video today. I just got this other side welded in and some filler. It's kind of boring, no one wants to see the same video twice, but I did find another Model A today that I could use for some suspension parts and stuff, so I'm gonna go with a friend and pick it up on Saturday, and hopefully if they're cool I can make a video about picking it up. Another one out of a field, but this one actually has chassis and everything with it, supposedly a motor too, so but I'll be using that one. So yeah, kind of excited about that, but just kind of thought I'd do a video on some of the progress, and just a quick one. Slow going when you're using propane for heat. But anyways, catch you later.